trunk trouble. Elephant main air. By Felicity Carter, illustrated by Karen Sapp. Ada ikan, ada dragonfly. Minum air. Gluk, 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 gluk. Wah. Ya? Tak ada dah. Macam Isyak buat. Macam mana Isyak buat? Okey. Lagi? Next? Ni baby elephant main air. Splash. Ni baby lion. Lion cub pun main air. Swim-swim juga. Ni kawan-kawan baby elephant. Abang Isyak suka buat macam tu? Betul? Okay, jom baca. Little elephant love playing with his friends. They run and jump and laugh together. But today they can't think of any games to play. Today they are just too hot. Panas. Dia peluh-peluh je. Panas sebab ada matahari. Panas. Lepas tu the friends play hide and seek. Little lion cubs count to 10. Okay, lion tutup mata. Sekejap kira macam mana? 1, 2, 3, 4. Crocodile hide. Crocodile hides in the water. Mana crocodile? There. Lepas tu, little monkey hides in a leafy tree. Monkey nyuruh atas pokok. Little tiger is okay. 10, roars little lion cub. Coming, ready or not. There's nowhere for me to go, cries little elephant. He tries to hide behind a bush, but his long trunk sticks out. Dia punya belalai terkeluar. Tiba-tiba, tung, boom, bang. Little lion cub trips over little elephant's trunk. Ouch, cries little lion cub. You and your big nose. Little elephant blushed bright red. I'm sorry. Little lion, dia terjatuh, terlanggar trunk elephant, belalai gajah. Lepas tu gajah cakap, I'm sorry. Lepas tu lion cakap, I don't want to play anymore. Dia tak nak main dah. Lepas tu, jadi dia tukar permainan pula. The friends try playing ball. At first, they have lots of fun. Dia main bola pula. They run up and down, round and round. Little armadillo rolls around and does cartwheels. Ni, little armadillo. Dia bulat, dia boleh berguling-guling. Pusing. But all that running around makes cloud of dust. Jadi debu. And the dust gets up little elephant nose. Tiba-tiba, elephant sneeze. Little elephant sneeze, blow little armadillo into the bushes. You and your big nose, cries little armadillo. Little elephant hangs his head down. I think I'll go for a walk, he mumbles, and he trots away by himself. Poor little elephant starts to cry. Kenapa little elephant sad? Sebab
tak tahu.
Sebab kawan-kawan tak nak main dengan dia. Dia, little elephant, rosakkan game. Spoil the game. Don't worry, says his mother as she give him a cuddle. Mama dia peluk dia. Lepas tu mama dia tanya, why are you crying, little elephants? She asks. My trunk is too long, he wails. It gets in the way of our games. Dia kata belalai dia panjang. Belalai dia kacau. Ganggu permainan dia. Lepas tu Mama dia cakap, I know something you can play. Say little elephant's mother. Mama dia ajak pergi dekat kawan-kawan dia. The waterhole is pouring, says little tiger. Little elephant smile. Lepas tu, little elephant pun fill his trunk with water. Maybe I can help, says little elephant. Dia sembuh air kat kawan dia. Little elephant. Little elephant, dia nak main air. Elephant. Baby elephant. Mami sini. Mami kat sini. Mami tengok. Baby elephant masuk dalam air. Dia sedut air. Lepas tu dia sembuh kawan-kawan dia. Splash. Tu Mami elephant. Kawan-kawan dia happy.
Mana kawan-kawan?
Mana kawan-kawan yang lain? Ada kawan-kawan yang lain.
Mana kawan-kawan?
Ya,
Dia masuk.
mana kawan-kawan yang lain masuk dalam air. Blub, 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 blub. Lepas tu nanti dia timbul. Dia happy tak main air? Happy. Lepas tu, goodbye. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, elephant. Bye-bye.
Dah tenang.